Hello! Welcome to the GuideKnight YouTube channel. There was a time when the classic flip phone was the first thing that came to mind when you thought of a cell phone. Before the smartphone era ushered in the rectangular glass, metal, and plastic slabs we've come to know and love. Nevertheless, the venerable flip design lives on not only in classic feature phones, but it's making a comeback, with modern smartphones reimagining the concept to create powerful yet fun and compact designs. As such, keeping track of the best flip phones in 2023 makes more sense than you may think. The feature flip phones of today still harken back to their pre-smartphone counterparts, focusing on basics like calls and texting, while providing battery life that's measured in days instead of hours. They're reasonably priced, very pocketable, often much more durable, and make a great option if traditional voice calls are your primary reason for carrying a cell phone. Our team research and best of this of experts, we have select 3 best flip phones in 2023 for you. The link of the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you want more interesting product reviews, visit our GuideKnight YouTube channel.
Shopping with GuideKnight as. Let's start with our top picks. Number 3. Alcatel GO FLIP V.
With 4G LTE speeds, you can enjoy excellent call quality on the classically styled GO FLIP V. It has everything you need to stay connected and productive on the go. Featuring voice over LTE, VoLTE, HD voice, and voice over Wi-Fi via Wi-Fi. Plus, share your connection via mobile hotspot with up to 10 devices. Large backlit keys and easy to navigate features, like dedicated text and camera buttons, which make this phone simple to use. The 2.8 internal display is great for reading emails, text messages, or phone numbers, checking your calendar, contacts, and more. A Verizon phone means a network you can rely on. A compact and durable design keeps your buttons and screen protected while in your bag, purse, or pocket.
Number 2. Motorola Razr 2020.
5G Universal Unlock compatible with all major US carriers, including Verizon, AT&T, Sprint, and T-Mobile. Also compatible with prepaid carriers including Cricket Wireless, Metro by T-Mobile, Google Fi, Simple Mobile, Total Wireless, TracFone, Net10, Mint, and H2O. In order to use this device on Verizon First Provision, you're sent through Verizon Wireless. Inbox: Motorola Razr 5G 256GB, unlocked, 15W turbo power charger, USB Type-C cable, 3.5mm headset jack adapter, accessory pouch, SIM removal tool kit, user guide. Iconic, pocketable design. The reinvented flip phone returns with a modern twist, crafted with premium materials and a main display that folds in half.
Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4.
The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is a nearly flawless combination of design, performance, and durability. It features a flatter, more streamlined design than its predecessor, while its armor aluminum frame and Corning Gorilla Victus Plus rear will protect it from mishaps. Once you have it flipped open, its gorgeous 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display will deliver a 120Hz refresh rate and a resolution of 2640 by 1080 pixels, making for some breathtaking visuals. At the same time, you can leave the phone closed and check the 1.9-inch Super AMOLED cover display for notifications and other bit-size info. It may look pretty, but the phone is also seriously high-powered, featuring the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset under its hood.
You are new here, subscribe our channel and like the video.